Professor Dr. V. Gupta, Cardiology, Delhi Apollo Hospital, on 3rd April, and I'm going to show you a small demonstration of the live angiography, which you will like it. So we have a patient who is 36-year-old male, and 36 साल का पेशेंट है, जिसके हमने साल भर पहले स्टेंट लगाए थे हमने, और साल भर पहले लगाए थे और उनको 4 जगह ब्लॉकेज थे. There were 4 blockages in this patient, a young man of 36 without any risk factors of diabetes or high blood pressure. This is very strange. Many times you have problems, atherosclerotic heart disease, coronary artery disease, and when there is no risk factor. Possibly COVID, I don't know. The young patients are getting prey. Now we are doing a check angiography after 1 year. So we have already taken the angiographic shots from the radial artery to left system. This is the radial approach, and now we are going to see the right. We have done. We did total 4 stents, and patient does not have any major symptom. But as a protocol, I thought young man 4 stents, we should do a check angiography. He has some mild dyspnea which is not clear. So 3 stents out of 4 we have already seen on the left side. LED made 2 stents in LED, 1 in circumflex. They are all normal. I will show the other implication. Now we are going to check the right coronary artery. This is the catheter, and you can see the stent is there. I will just inject it and see. Perfectly all right. So the stent which was done in 2024, you can see there is absolutely not a very small portion of restenosis, and this is very gratifying. So अच्छा लगता है सोच के, we are very delighted to see that the right coronary artery stent is perfectly all right. Sister अपना उंगली लगाइए वहाँ पे. This is the stent. Yes, you can see this is the artery and there is a stent there. और ये stent दिख रहा है और there is no restenosis. You show the left system. अभी हमने जो लेफ्ट के रिकॉर्ड किए हैं, ये लेफ्ट कोरोनरी आर्टरी है. इट इज स्टेंट देयर. यस, प्रॉक्सिमल सेगमेंट एब्सोल्युटली नॉर्मल. आगे बढ़ेंगे. एंड दिस इज द एलईडी. देयर 2 स्टेंट्स वी हैव डन. नीचे वाला स्टेंट लगाइए, नीचे दिख रहा है ना, हम नीचे, हाँ ये नहीं ऊपर बीच में, हाँ ये और हाँ ये. इवन द सेकंड स्टेंट इज परफेक्टली नॉर्मल. शो द सर्कमफ्लेक्स. नीचे दिखा यहाँ पे सर्कमफ्लेक्स. इधर ये इस आर्टरी में. यस, हाथ ऊपर करिए थोड़ा सा. ये this is the area of another stent, the third stent, absolutely normal. So it is, although there are some plaques in various other location, इधर दिखाइए मेरी तरफ. So all the 4 stents, 2 in LED, 1 in circumflex, are doing well. So a young man, 36-year-old, who had 4 stents 1 year back, and the patient is asymptomatic, and all the 4 stents are doing well. Bypass surgery and angioplasty, there are 2 techniques for revascularization, and उसमें हम जो bypass करते हैं उसमें हम लोग now I am going to see the renal artery. So the catheter is now to the renal artery inside the aorta, descending aorta, and I will inject the dye into the renal arteries just to be well, otherwise there is no symptom. But whenever we do angiography, हम लोग एक renal artery का shot ले लेते हैं just to confirm that everything is fine. So both the renal arteries are normal, and I will pull out the catheter. Come back to me. We have done angiography, and all the 4 stents are perfectly all right. And this is the beauty. अब आपको बताना चाहते हैं, कुछ लोग पूछते हैं कि whether the stents are lifelong or they are not lifelong. So whenever you have I will tell you that restenosis. So restenosis normally it happens only within the first 6 months. If it does not happen within 6 months to 9 months, restenosis means recurrence of the blockage in the stent. This is different from atherosclerosis because this is because of new intimal formation. Whenever you put a stent, the body reacts by increasing the fibrosis inside the stent area. That is the healing process. आप लोग सब पता है, कहीं कट जाता है किसी को, उस समय स्कार बनता है, तो स्कार बन जाता है जो कि एक फाइब्रोसिस की वजह से होता है. Similarly, this healing process takes place inside the stent. So when the stent was done for the first time in 1987, and by Dr. Sigwart. And then there were trials, stent versus plain angioplasty in 93, Penny stent trial and stress trial. At that time, the restenosis rate, recurrence inside the stent, was about 10%. यानी कि 100 में से 100 में से 10 लोगों को फिर से रिकरेंस हो जाएगी. उसके बाद ड्रग कोटेड स्टेंट आए. ड्रग कोटेड स्टेंट आने के बाद हम लोग का अब रिकरेंस रेट इज ओनली 2%. तो नाउ द स्टेंट हैज रिवोल्यूशनाइज्ड, revolution, समझते हैं revolution. So stent has revolutionized the system of angioplasty. Now I am putting the catheter inside the left ventricle. So this is a catheter which is gone into the ventricle. अभी तक जो हमने एंजियोग्राफी दिखाई है वो दिखाई है actually we have shown the angiography of the coronary arteries. Now I am showing the angiography of the ventricle. इससे पता लगेगा कि हार्ट की पंपिंग कैसी है, हार्ट की पंपिंग फंक्शंस. How is the heart pumping function? So I'll inject the dye inside the ventricle just to see that heart is pumping well. This is a complete angiography. I'll inject the dye, you can see. So there is a mild hypokinesia and ejection fraction is slightly reduced as compared to normal. I would keep it something like 40%. But we will do echocardiography and check it. Come back to me. So I was telling that the restenosis rate was 10% at the time of non-drug eluting stent. There was bare metal stent. Lot of scientific advancement. और उसके बाद we have now drug coated stents. The stent material has changed from